Dumpster rental service in Bargersville, Indiana. If you're looking for a trusted dumpster rental service in Bargersville, Indiana, Freedom Dumpsters has you covered. We specialize in providing reliable and affordable dumpster rentals for all types of projects. Whether you're cleaning out your home, handling yard waste, or working on a construction site, we have the right dumpster for you. Our team is committed to making waste removal easy and efficient. We offer fast delivery, convenient pickup, and exceptional customer service. Our simple rental process ensures you get the dumpster you need without hassle. We help keep your project on track with flexible scheduling options, minimizing downtime and delays. At Freedom Dumpsters, we understand that every project is unique. We provide tailored waste disposal solutions to meet your specific needs. No matter the job size, we have a dumpster that fits your requirements. Our transparent pricing means no hidden fees, ensuring an affordable and straightforward rental experience. We take pride in our commitment to customer satisfaction, ensuring that every rental is handled professionally and carefully. Contact us today at 463-271-8821 to reserve your dumpster. Freedom Dumpsters, your reliable choice for dumpster rental service in Bargersville, Indiana.